Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a time leaderboard in Roblox Studio. To begin, you will need to set up a data store service. This service is crucial for saving and loading player data, ensuring persistence across game sessions. Create a new script in Server Script Service, which is the ideal place for server-side logic. Within this script, define a unique key for your data store. This key acts like a label for your saved data, allowing you to access it later. This foundational step is essential for any robust leaderboard system. Now let's focus on tracking player time. You can use the tick function or OS time to mark the precise moment a player begins an activity. When the activity concludes, simply subtract the initial start time from the current time to get the total elapsed duration. It is vital to track these times individually for every player, perhaps storing their start time in a table or a dedicated variable. This method provides a reliable way to measure performance down to fractions of a second, ensuring fair competition. Once you have an elapsed time, the next step is to save and update it. You must compare the player's new time with their existing best time stored in the data store. If the new time is faster, then and only then should you update their record. Use setAsync to write this new, improved time back into the data store. This ensures that only personal bests are saved, maintaining the integrity of your leaderboard. Remember to handle potential errors during the saving process for a smooth user experience. Finally, let's display your hard-earned leaderboard data. Use getSortedAsync to fetch the top times from your data store, which will return a sorted list of players and their best records. Next, create a user interface, or UI, element in your game to visually present this information. This could be a scrolling list or a fixed panel. Populate this UI with the player names and their best times, ensuring it is clear and easy to read. This final step brings your time leaderboard to life for all players to see and compete against.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.